Hey everybody, Bill at PDR Mobile here. Hey, I'm going to attempt to show you accuracy of iScan. And so what I've got is the camera open within iScan, and there's this dent. You can see me going over it right there. So what I'm going to do is attempt to try to measure this. And so here's the I'm going to move my camera a minute here so I can get a light. Draw the edges of the dent. It's sort of on the outside. You can kind of see that there. So yeah, the top one's a little bit too far, but we'll give it a go. So now I'm going to cancel out of here. And I'm going to go into the measuring app, and I'm going to see how this works. So I'm just going to go on the inside of that line and measure here. So that's a half inch. Half inch is roughly 12 and a half millimeters. So you guys can see that. So now I'm going to clean that off of there. Go back to PDR Mobile. Go into an estimate panel. I'll just pick the left front fender. Take my meter. Open an iScan. That yellow off there. There's our dent. Make sure I've got the image in there. Capture that. We'll run that calculation. And we're 12 millimeters. So that's pretty darn accurate. I'm going to go ahead and use that result. I just wanted to demonstrate the accuracy within iScan. Thanks for watching, and look forward to hearing your feedback on how you use it. Bye now.